Okay, I'm about to go into work, and I'm really psyched up, and I want to kind of share the love here. I'm feeling motivation for like the first time in probably about 2.5 fucking years, and it's really cool. I'm starting to exercise. I know it's not showing worth a shit yet, but it's got me motivated. Not just that, but I think these daily videos, despite me skipping yesterday, sorry, is really stimulating my creativity. I've got a bunch of video ideas that I'm going to be applying to the main channel. And I got to tell you guys, if you are in a slump or if you're in a creative block, start doing something regular, stream of conscious style. It doesn't have to be, well, consciousness, not conscious. Anyway, start doing something either like this or on a pad of paper. Alright, just say, alright, for this amount of time, I'm just going to write what the fuck I have on my mind as quickly as I can, and I want to see what comes out of it. And doing this every day will stimulate you, man. It'll make you think differently, and it'll make you really excited to do content. Now that I'm done really kind of pitching my own concept,